Modern software testing involves managing multiple products, hundreds of test cases, execution cycles, and a constant stream of issues. Keeping track of progress, quality, and accountability can quickly become overwhelming. TestIQ brings structure, visibility, and intelligence to your entire test management process, all in one platform. Once you sign in, you're taken to the dashboard, which gives you a clear overview of your testing activities. From the dashboard, you can navigate to products. Creating a new product is simple. Just enter a product name and description, and it becomes instantly available for test planning and execution. Each product in TestIQ has its own dedicated workspace. Documents provide important context for every product. You can start by uploading relevant documents here. Now, let's turn documents into structured knowledge. Wiki pages are created automatically. TestIQ uses AI to generate documentation. The system analyzes the uploaded content. Clear and structured wiki pages are created. Now let's organize testing by breaking the product into modules. Simply name the module and add a description. The module is now ready to hold related test cases. With structure in place, it's time to add test cases. You can create test cases manually or generate them using AI. We are using AI here to generate test cases. Your test case is now created and linked to the module. To manage execution better, test cases can be grouped into test suites. A test suite represents a logical collection, like regression or smoke tests. Your test suite is now active and ready to accept test cases. Select the relevant test cases and add them to the suite in one go. When it's time to execute tests, you create a test cycle. You can link a suite to pre-fill all its test cases automatically. Start by naming your test cycle. Here, we're planning February regression testing. Pre-populate the cycle from an existing suite. This automatically adds all test cases. Your test cycle is now ready for execution and tracking. Each test case is ready for execution. You can run tests using AI execution or execute them manually. Results update instantly as tests run. Track pass, fail, or pending in real time.